The girls encourage the lady now. The girls, encourage her. Everything I eat. Getting something in their mouth, that's to chewing something.
Swallow it.
Wow. Yeah, he's done now.
So you can see for yourself, who is the winner?
Him.
What's the name, please? Oluwafemi. Is Oluwafemi the winner?
Yes.
What's the name, please? Eh?
Ilara.
Is Clara the winner?
Clara.
Now we need two persons, one person from the female and one person from the male. Now for the female now, is Clara the winner?
Yes.
For the male, is Oluwafemi the winner?
Yes. No. No.
Is Kaji the winner?
No.
These children are the loser.
How did
Yeah,
you?
I need somebody to say something because I think most of them are confused.
No. He's the winner.
Say something.
This guy is the winner. She's also the winner. This is for the male or female.
Alright, so please come forward. Can we give them a big hand? Can we clap for them? Please clap for them, encourage them.
You will buy our drinks back.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Okay, for being the winner, we're giving them another free peanut. Oh, we tried now, right?